we have different shapes here. Now, if I tell you to represent the colored portions using fractions, how will you represent them? So, if I look at the first one, there are 4 equal parts it has been divided into, and out of these 4 equal parts, 4 parts are colored. So, all 4 parts are colored. So, I can represent it as 4 by 4 using fractions. What about this image? There are 4 equal parts once again. And how many are colored? 3. So 3 out of 4 equal parts are colored. So I can represent it using the fraction 3 by 4. What about this shape? It is a circle. Now this circle has been divided into 4 equal parts. And how many parts are colored? 2 equal parts have been colored. So 2 out of 4 equal parts represent these 2. So 2 by 4 is the fraction which represents these colored portions. What about this diamond shape? Once again, there are 4 equal parts, out of which 1 is colored. So it is represented by 1 by 4. So 4 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now, did you notice something interesting about these fractions? Well, if you observe carefully, all the fractions have 4 as the denominator. Denominator is the part which is written at the bottom. So, the bottom part is 4 in all of these fractions. That is, each of the image here or each of the shape here is divided into 4 equal parts. That is, the total number of parts is 4. So each fraction has 4 in the denominator. Now there is a special name given to such fractions. Such fractions are called like fractions. So the fractions which have the same denominator are called like fractions. So what are like fractions? Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. So can one fraction be a like fraction? That is, if I write 1 by 4 and ask you, is it a like fraction? Will you be able to answer? No. We need 2 or more fractions. Then only can we compare whether their denominators are the same or not. So if I look at these fractions, all the fractions have 7 in the denominator. So these are all like fractions. So 2 or more fractions are said to be like fractions if their denominators are the same. So I need 2 or more fractions to say whether they are like fractions or not. And what about these fractions? So I can see the colored portion is 1 out of 2 equal parts. So it is 1 by 2. Over here it is 4 out of 10 equal parts. So it is 4 by 10. This is 1 out of 3 equal parts. So 1 by 3. This is 1 by 4. And this is 4 by 6. So in this case, we see that the denominators are all different. So the denominators are not same. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. So unlike fractions, they are not like each other. They are unlike each other. And what decides whether they are like each other or unlike each other? The denominator. So if the denominators are the same, the fractions are like. If the denominators are different, the fractions are unlike. So fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Like if we look at these fractions, they have different denominators. In fact, if I take any 2 out of these fractions, they are unlike fractions. So 2 or more fractions are said to be unlike if they have different denominators. Now what about these fractions? So this is 2 by 8, 2 by 4, 2 by 6 and 2 by 3. I see that the numerator is same in each case. 2, 2, 2 and 2. So all four fractions have 2 as the numerator, but the denominators are not the same. The denominators are different. So are these fractions like? No, these are not like fractions. These are unlike fractions. So if the numerator is same and the denominator is different, still the fractions are called unlike fractions because they will be like only when the denominators are equal. So when you need to check for like or unlike, you need to see only the denominators. If the denominators are same, then the fractions are like fractions. But if the denominators are different, the fractions are unlike fractions. Even if the numerators are same, but the denominators are different, the fractions are called unlike fractions. So now, are these three like fractions or unlike fractions? I need to check the numerator or the denominator. I need to check the denominator. So I see the denominator here is 4. The denominator here is 12 and the denominator in this case is 8. So the denominators are all different. So these are unlike fractions. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Now what about these? Are these like or unlike? So I see that the numerators are the same. The numerator is 4 in each case. But while checking for like and unlike, what do we check? We check only for the denominators. The denominator is 6 here, 10 here and 3 here. Since the denominators are all different, these fractions are unlike fractions. Now can you answer this on your own? Whether these fractions are like or unlike? So let us see. We need to check only for the denominators. Denominator here is 9. The denominator here is 9. And the denominator of this fraction is also 9. So all three fractions have 9 as the denominator. So these fractions are called like fractions. These fractions are like fractions. So this is how you can say whether two or more fractions are like or unlike. You just need to check for their denominators. If the denominators are same, then the fractions are called like fractions. If the denominators are different, then the fractions are called unlike fractions. Why are like fractions important? Well, like fractions are very important for addition, subtraction and other operations which we will soon learn. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.